hope everyone is well. Thank you so much for so much love. For all the love. Ito mog dakol mo to me for on my previous video. It was like a warm welcome eshe potun baresol maka. Felt really good. Aaj maka like look at aaj joy. Beautiful ha. Shinde ko tode ha aaj. It's nice. So आता वयता बायसोताले भयणीगे वचपा आनी म्हाका न्हू तुमकां कितें अशें करून फानी सांगपा जाय समथींग फानी म्हाका फानी तें म्हणल्यार तुमकां फानी एंड मे बी अदर पीपल ऑल्सो इट मायट नॉट बी फानी कित्या म्हाका न्हू हांसो येता अशें करून कॉमेंट्स येताय न्हू गोंयसान कॉमेंट्स येताले न्हू हांव तुमकां सांगता थोडे बहुत कॉमेंट्स कितें येताले ते सांगता ओके आनी जो कोण ते कॉमेंट घायले न्हू इफ यू थिंक दॅट आम कांय काम ना तेका लागून आम व्लॉग करीत रावताय जाल्यार म्हाका टायम ना हांव थंय चलोत ते दोन व्लॉग कोता सो यू थिंक वॉट यू हॅव टू थिंक सो लेट्स गो लेट मी टेल यू सो पयलीं कॉमेंट आसलो न्हू सो गोंय येता दोना आम बिजनस क्लासी ट्रॅवल केलें ऑफकोर्स बिकॉज आय कॅन सो थोड्यान गायल्लो स्पॉन्सर्ड ब्रिटीश एअरवेजान स्पॉन्सर केला नो कोण स्पॉन्सर कोता आय वॉज नॉट ऑन अ वर्क ट्रीप आय वॉज ऑन माय हॉलिडेज सो म्हाका कोण कित्याक स्पॉन्सर कोतलो रायट second thing that might be a question that is positive also that can be positive also so that's why I have responded to you also positively eja mukar aika anta magi eklan kelle too much show off honey if I'm showing off it's my hard work that I'm showing off if I'm showing off it's because I can and I worked hard for it आनी बसोन तूं कोण बेडीचे उठावपा येना काम तुका यो कामां वताय कामां लायताय तुका काम दिताय कोण तुका तेश कोन्न बेडीचे उठायन घेवन वचना रायट सो दॅट्स फॉर यू दॅट्स द रिस्पॉन्स टू यू सो कितें जाता जाणा पीपल वर्क हार्ड हियर लायक मोस्ट ऑफ अस डू थोडे जाण बेकार आहाय ते अशें करून कॉमेंट कोत्ताय ते दे कॉमेंट बिकॉज दे डोंट हॅव वर्क आय सपोज एंड सेकेंडली दे डोंट हॅव मॅनर्स ऑल्सो सो नो वी वर्क हार्ड फॉर अ लिविंग एंड देन वेन समवन सेज दिस इट्स लायक आर यू सिरियस कायंड ऑफ अ थिंग कित्याक म्हाका न्हू मोस्ट ऑफ द तुम म्हाका कॉमेंट्स येताय न्हू ते थोडे negativity makes me laugh and I just laugh it off it doesn't bother me, it doesn't affect me, it doesn't get to me first off but if you're trying to try kota you know auntie same idea asota okay it's not even like different id just on they couldn't comment konai it's the same id so first of all you are not happy in your life so you think tumi kite negative mule ani konage days ruin kotole doesn't work with me so you should try harder and then you'll also be unsuccessful then also kitya doesn't get to me and that also segment in my vlog I'm adding it because it's for the good people who wish well for me for other vloggers so it's for them so this is what happens behind the scenes okay and aw kit kota eshkon comments eta you know I don't want you also to read it and feel like look eshkon kitya muta so what I do is easiest thing is to delete the comments atum mutoli thod jana ani comment kelti dekun why don't you block those people no I won't block them and my friends ani jait part sanglo because I'm bigger than that I'm bigger than blocking people mak time na they block करपा आनी आनी एक कितें येयल्लो जाण तूं हांव लास्ट व्लॉग आहलो न्हू लास्ट गोवा व्लॉग आहलो न्हू मुगेलो तेजे हांव मिसा गेलो न्हू मांयचबारा So to maich bara bosona, this shows how much you love your grandparents. And this is only for YouTube aku lagon tu kota all what you're showing. Auntie tu gara ko kesle kam na rob du panaka udo tapo panaka ran pa na tuka tu itloy free time ha, like you just wasted your 1 minute, maybe tu 5 minute lagol astilo type korpa. Oops, sorry, not sorry. So हांव मुगे ग्रँड पेरंट्सां इतू मोग आहा म्हूण हांव तेंचे बरें रावलोलें वेन गोंय गेलो ते दोन न्हू. डोंट हॅव टू क्लॅरिफाय टू यू, बट दॅट्स युअर आन्सर. सेकंडली, वेन यू सेड यू टुबाकू लागोन कोता, तूं कसलें आनी एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन यूट्यूबान दिलो हा, दॅट बीइंग नॉट योर नॉर्मल सेल्फ एंड पुटींग फेक थिंग्स गिव यू एडिशनल इनकम. तेश कोन्न कितें सांगलो हा यूट्यूबान तुका एक्स्ट्रा पयशे दित म्हणून फेक कितें दाखयल जाल्यार लेट मी नो, बिकॉज आय वॉन्ट टू नो. तूं हें हूंय आयकिल तें एंड दॅट्स वाय यू सेड इट. इट्स ओन्ली फॉर यूट्यूब. It's just sick people like you that just get to people's head sometimes. आमगे जायत जाण ब्लॉगर आहाय न्हू, you guys just demotivate them, not the good people. Of course there's ते म्हाका न्हू 98% तो 2% आसतलो that just wants to like break someone. आनी हांव कितें हायलायट कोत जाणटू, because some of us, not everyone, but some of people on social, doesn't include me because I've got a back of a rhino and I just dust myself and keep moving, and they mag affect to zaina. But some of us are not, all of us are not like me. Thoda jana ge no, it breaks their heart because they work so hard and itle sarke hard work kotay, and they put in so much of hard work in just even vlogging is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. कोण कोत तेका खबर आहा आनी तुम चोयतोल्यांक थोड जाणां खबर आसतली. It takes patience and it takes a lot of hard work. So एश कोन्न न्हू थोड जाणांक काडीज दुखोता. So stop doing that. I always believe in एक English writer आहा तो Charles Cobat, and he said if you got nothing good to say nothing at all. कितें तुका बोर मुडपा ना न्हू कोणाकू, कांय मुडी नाका. So at least don't discourage a person. Eshko nai जायत जाणां vlogger चोयलाय that they say, oh, they're gonna stop vlogging, vlog kurpa stop kotoli because they get negative comments. Guys, it's not about you, it's about them. Because when someone is commenting negativity or spreading negativity on your vlogs, that doesn't mean they are directly targeting you. Somewhere तेंगे लाइफान ती हॅप्पी नाय आसतली, or something is bothering them. Let's forgive them and forget about those. Okay, what matters is the people who think good about you, good for you, and they're always there to support you. So for those, we have to keep moving and live a happy life. मागे आनी एक येयल्लो, तूं म्हणटली कितू हाय काम म्हूण. सोगले गोवन व्लॉगाचेर वयल्ले, गोंय व्लॉग्स केलो न्हू तेजेर वयल्ले ते. सो आय सेड लंडन वयता म्हणल्यार मातशें टायम आसता तेदो एक व्लॉग कोतो म्हणलें. पूण आतां म्हाका टायम मेळ्ळा टू मेक द व्लॉग बिकॉज इट्स माय डे ऑफ एंड आय एम जस्ट गोईंग टू माय सिस्टर्स. सो या, आनी एक येयलो कितें जाण तूं, तें दिसता तशें नासता. शी इज वेरी डिफरंट. तें दाखयता डिफरंट आनी आहा डिफरंट. डू यू नो मी पर्सनली? आनी पर्सनली तूं म्हाका वळखोत जाल्यार मुज तोंडार येवन सांग म्हाका, ओ एटलीस्ट मेसेज इफ यू कॅन, इफ यू गॉट द गट्स टू. डोंट sit behind a screen and pass comments, because I haven't gone behind the screen and responded to you or blocked you, because you just don't deserve a reply from me or a response from me. So but at least if you know me personally, tu comment malno teshko disota that you know me personally, and I doubt that, because who know me personally, they've got nothing to say like that, just like how you did. आनी मागीर कॉमेंट आहलो हांव मिसा गेलो त्या दोना मागीर बोले बसोना बिकॉज आय वॉन्टेड टू एक्सपिरियन्स हाव इट इज अपस्टेर्स वयर बसो जाय आहलो म्हाका दॅट्स वाय आय डीड none of your business and I know a lot of you love Savio so much so thank you for that. Savio no दोन उतरां मनीस okay he doesn't speak much so म्हाका जायत जाण अशें कॉमेंट येताय that why is Savio so serious all the time, why does he behave like that आनी कित्या उलोयना तो आनी लास्ट व्लॉगारूय येयल्लो saying why is your husband so serious and even when you try to talk to him why does he not respond also things like that he's in his own world that's what get a comment and it's a good comment. So I'd like to say only one thing, everyone's personality is different like muge personality hano I am a jolly person so म्हाका न्हू उलोवपा जाय my personality is very different to Savio's and I think opposite attract so म्हाका उलोवपा जाय Savio is the quieter one and it's the same way so you can't change anyone's personality that's how people are different it's the same way so like म्हाका मुगे personality change करपा कोणे सांगलोली न्हू or like force me to do something else than I am then it's just not possible कित्या कोणे म्हाका सांगिल्लें less उलोय or just be less friendly or be less bubbly that I can't change myself and go on a quieter side same way teka I know that he's a quiet person I tek force kel zala or someone else's comments made him do something it's just not going to work because that's not him so that's all just the way he is and I love him for that so I think that's why opposite attract. Honey, I am waiting for the bus. Baro hadis samko sunny nice I feel like having some cake and hushti tum khabar ha I might go and get some cake for myself and treat myself. और पहिला मुझे पिस्ताशियो केक जाय मुझे सांगलो नाही सो 3 ऑर्डर केले to have me, my sister and my brother-in-law. Yes, Savio होता ना but Savio कामाचे हा so he's at home. Hey everyone! Ta-da! My pistachio pastries are here. आणि इसरोने आणि एक उरले सांगपा. Let me tell you that also. This is the most interesting one, okay? So, comment gaillo saying, what? I even forgot the comment now. Makanu te ugrasu nahi because I don't even give importance to them. But this is just to entertain you all. Tum sango tao kaisa comment ahlo to. It said, okay, something about my work. I pray hui that Heathrow Airport sees this. Someone from Heathrow Airport sees this video and reports you at work. Eshkon gailo ne. Kitko चे म्हाका आसो येता आनी इतलें न्हू they said तूं हितू दीस गोंय कित कोता you should be going back. The same person, huh? So shame on you for saying that. आमगे गारेला and no one can कोणें स्टॉप करपा जायना गारे येयलो मनशा पोतून वच म्हूण आनी तूं दीस कित्या येयला म्हूण सो शेम आनी टू करेक्ट यू दे आय डोंट वर्क फॉर हिथ्रो एअरपोर्ट सो तें देखून सारकें तुका रिसर्च करपा जावं ना कितें म्हणून जावं ना आय डोंट इवन वर्क फॉर हिथ्रो एअरपोर्ट सेकेंडली कॉलिगान चोयल्या पुरो मुगे कॉलिगान न्हू सगल्यांनी सबस्क्रायब केलो हा इवन दो तांकां कोंकणी अंडरस्टँड जायना दॅट्स द रिजन वाय हांव जायत पाटी न्हू इंग्लिशीन म्हणपा सोदितां वस्तू few of the things I want to say in English कित्याक तांकां अंडरस्टँड जावपा as to what I'm saying in my videos okay so you don't worry about my work my colleagues हांव हॉलिडे हूंय वयता गोंय कित्या हितू दीस रावता none of your business आंटी कितें जालें what's the matter with you what is the behavior what is this behavior कितें जालें नुस्त्या बाजरां गेलो कोडेन तुका नुस्त्या लेस प्रायजान दिवना कांय उण करूं ना तुका ताका लागून कोड करूं मेळो नासतो तुका न्हू सॅड आय होप आतां म्हणून न्हू आय प्रे हिथ्रो एअरपोर्ट समवन रिपोर्ट्स यू और समथींग लायक दॅट नो 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 आय एक्चुली प्रे दॅट यू प्रे फॉर युअर सेल्फ तूं केश कोन्न काम मेळ्ळ्या पुरो म्हूण देवान तूं केश कोन्न काम दिल्या पुरो म्हूण हितू हॉलिडे मेळटाय हितू हॉलिडे घेवपा मेळटाय गोंय वचों मेळटा हितू हॉलिडे घेवन I pray for you. Tu keshun kaam mela puro. So work hard and pray to God. That's what I've been doing. Reached at my sister's place. So I'm going to spend good time, lovely time with my niece and my sister. And then see you later. It's delicious. Yummy. Look at that pistachio. Cheers. Mariska Makala Frappe, my favorite. Frappe. Hi everyone. So, I'm getting this best gallo. I went to my sister's place, had some really good time with my niece. आनी मागीर नेलिश्काय येयल्ले नेलिश्का खबर आहा तुमकां मुगे काजन माशेनागे चोडू आनी तेणें म्हाका मुगे फेवरेट ड्रिंक हाडलें वीच इज कॅरमल फ्रॅपे फ्रॉम मॅकडॉनल्ड्स आनी बरें एन्जॉय केला आमी सो आतां मोस्ट ऑफ टायम 9:30 जातली या अबाउट टू 9:30 आनी that's it. So until I see you in my next vlog, love yourself, be kind and shine. Bye everybody. Bye.